This video is brought to you by TickTime. This is the TickTime timer. It's one of the most unique timers I've ever seen. Also, this product was provided to me by TickTime, so thank you so much TickTime for sending me this. Check out the links in the description to find out more about the TickTime timer. I feel like this would be a perfect stocking stuffer for the upcoming holiday season. But before we talk more about it, how about let's unbox it? What is up guys, my name is Chase and this is the TickTime timer. It's a digital timer with pretty much everything you would ever need from a timer. And it comes in this cute little box, so I'm excited to open it up. So it comes with this little instruction book for your TickTime. And here is the actual timer itself. Comes nicely packaged like this. And then at the very bottom here, it includes a micro USB cable. Let's take it out of its little packaging here. Ta-da! Wow, that is very futuristic looking. Oh my goodness, that's so futuristic looking. I'm like a kid seeing this like really shiny thing. It's so cool. So all around the edges of this timer, there are different intervals that you can set the timer for. There's the speaker at the bottom, as well as some control buttons and the micro USB port. So what do you say? Let's charge this up, and I'm excited to try it out. So the TickTime timer features an LED display, and on this display you'll find the timer written as numbers. There's also this really cool circular countdown that goes around the display. You have a micro USB port for charging. There's a battery indicator and a volume indicator. Speaking of which, you'll find two buttons on either side of the display. When the timer is on its side, you can use these buttons to control the volume, and when you hold it up, you can use these buttons to create a custom timer with minutes and seconds. And you can also hold down both of the buttons for 3 seconds to power off the device. Now what I think sets this timer apart from any old timer is that it's in this hexagonal shape. With each side of this device, you can automatically set a timed interval. You have one side that can automatically set a 3-minute timer, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 25 minutes, and 30 minutes. Then moving on to the bottom of the device, this side of the timer is actually magnetic, which is really cool. You can stick it on any metal surface like a refrigerator for hands-free usage. Also, something really cool is that if you turn the device with the LED display down, it'll start counting up. And then when you want to stop counting up, you just turn it back over. For some reason, it really reminded me of like cup stacking, but it's a cool way to mimic a stopwatch. So overall, this is like a really cool little timer. It's definitely a unique product, and it's really good if you're working on a schedule or if you need to plan out your day. Once again, thank you so much to TickTime for sending me this product. Check out the links in the description if you guys would like to get one for yourself. For now, thank you so much for watching. My name is Chase, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye.